Hi guys, and welcome back to the homestead. And Violet's had some babies. She actually had 4. She had them Saturday morning. She started kidding at 5:45 and gave us 4 wonderful babies in a short period of time. I'm gonna warn you, there's live goat birth. It's not as graphic as it could have been, but if you're squeamish, you may not want to watch this video. But here's the footage, guys. Foot. I know, Mama. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Come on. I know, Mama. You got it. You got it, Mama. Come on, Mama. There we go, Mama. You're almost there. Come on, Mama. Hey, can you come down here real quick? We got babies coming. Okay, thank you. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama, you're almost there. Look, Mama. There you go, Mama. Oh, look. One more push. Mama. There we go. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Oh, yeah. Good job, baby. Oh, here we go. Mama, you've almost got it. Come on, Mama. Come on. You're almost there. There we go. Come on, Mama. Come on. We're almost there, Mama. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Mama. Oh, good job, Mama. Oh, God. Oh, hello. Can you get me another towel?
Yeah.
Come on, Mama.
You, big one or small one?
Big one. Oh, there we go, Mama. Oh, you got it. And a puppy pad. Look, Mom. Oh, good job, Mama. Look, Mom. There's.
Yeah, there you go, Mom.
Good job, Mom. Come here. Good job, Mama. Can you throw the whole birthing kit in here? I got in here and forgot to grab it, and then I'm like, crap.
Well, like I heard your phone call. I woke up for it. Like, you know, the first time you called, and then I hung up on you because I was like, you know, what's going on, Clay? Wait a minute. Something's happening.
Here, let's work on this one. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. You gave us birthday babies. Oh.
We got another one.
We do. Good job. Good job, Mama. There we go. Oh, good job, Mama.
Look at her go.
Good job, Mama. You got it, Mama. I'm glad I did get little paws. Oh, good job, Mama. Oh, yeah. I woke up about 2 a.m. and I'm like, something going on, but I could tell it wasn't time yet.
Yeah.
So I just went back to sleep. And she squealed like she did a minute ago. And I'm like, it's go time. It took me a second. All the dogs are barking and going nuts.
You mean it's goat time?
We got birthday babies. Oh, okay. Come on, you gotta give me another couple more pushes, baby. We got a fourth coming.
Think so?
Yeah, there's another bag coming out. Another water sack. Oh. Oh, good job, little ones. Okay. Here. Woo, yep. Good job. Come here. Come here, little one. Come here. Look, Mama. Work on that one. You ain't got that one yet. If you're over here doing this by yourself, she's got stuff hanging, never pull it. The gravity helps pull that placenta and everything out as time allows.
That makes sense.
And we still got 2 other heat lamps, they're just not the good ones. Careful, Mama. You scared me. Oh. Good job, Mama. Hey, come on. Woo. Good job, Mama. Oh, baby. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Mine. You're gonna adjust the camera again.
Well,
Because she's not out. She's out of the shot. Hey. Come here. Little black and white beauty. There you go. There you go. Good job, Mama.
that's much of heat lamp.
Woo.
The bulb.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if it's the bulb that's acting up right now or what.
Yeah. We'll figure it out in a minute. Oh, good job, Mama. Oh, you're so tiny. Get up here, little one. You too. Can I get another puppy pad? We got 4 babies. Holy crap.
Happy birthday to you.
I've seen puppies bigger.
The third one's not running, is it?
A little smaller than these others. But I think it's because she had 4. When you get standing up, trying to stand up earlier than the second one. Here we go. Okay, come here, Mama. Let's get him under the light. Let's get him on out. You done good, Mama. You done so good. Oh, tumble bumble. The kids are gonna be excited. This little one with a tan on her over here that's in front of me is a girl. We have one down.